How PharmaMax's LIMS Direct ensures compliance in the pharmaceutical industry. LIMS Direct automates the collection and storage of lab data, ensuring accurate and consistent data entry. Electronic records replace manual logs, reducing errors and improving data integrity. Standard Operating Procedures, or SOPs. The system enforces adherence to SOPs by guiding users through predefined workflows. Compliance with SOPs ensures that all laboratory activities meet regulatory standards. Audit Trails. LIMS Direct maintains comprehensive audit trails for all data entries and modifications. This transparency allows for easy tracking of data changes and ensures accountability. Quality control. Automated quality control checks are integrated into the workflow, flagging any deviations or outliers. Ensures that all test results meet the required standards before approval. Regulatory reporting. Generates accurate and timely reports that comply with regulatory requirements. Facilitates easy submission of required documentation to regulatory bodies. Data security. Implements robust security measures to protect sensitive data. Ensures that only authorized personnel can access or modify critical information. Discover deeper insights into Solutions Max and our commitment to tailored resources and support. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your comprehensive platform for streamlined management of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Achieve efficiency and peace of mind with our integrated ecosystem designed specifically for your requirements. Visit pharmamax.org for detailed information. Still unsure? Need additional assistance? Don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of in-house compliance and validation experts specializes in regulatory strategies for manufacturing review and submissions. Thank you for your attention. In pharmaceuticals, excellence is not just an act, but a habit. Stay informed and stay safe. Until next time. For more details, visit pharmamax.org or email us contact@solutionsmax.com for a prompt response.